Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the cute Pokemon Turtwig. So I'm going to start with my marker here. I'm going to start by drawing his eye, but make sure that you're not drawing it too close to the top of your page because Turtwig has like a little baby plant coming out of the top of his head, so we got to make sure we have enough room for that. So I'm going to draw Turtwig's eye right around, I'm going to do it right here. So it's like an oval shape. And then I'm going to do a little circle in that oval shape. And then I'm going to put an oval around that. All right, now inside this shape, I'm going to put a little squiggle line. And then I'm going to color this middle part black. All right, now I am going to start with the shape of his head. So I'm gonna work right here and come on up. And then come down like a hill. Now we're gonna kind of go straight down a bit. And curve in. Kind of a sharp point here. Give it a little straight line. And I'm going to curve it up a little bit to give him almost like a little smile. And then round it out here for his cheek. And connect that spot. Now all the way up here, we've got two little nostrils. His nose is all the way up there. Okay, now I'm going to draw the bottom of his face. So we're just coming up here and connecting his little cheek. Okay. Now, up top of the head, we've got a zigzag, almost like hair. And then we're going to give him a point. So, just kind of like a triangle. And then we've got a leaf. And then another leaf. Alright, so far he looks a little weird. But I think he's going to come along and look really good in the end. Alright, so next I'm going to do the shell on his back. He's like a little turtle. So we're going to come down, a little bit of a swoopy line. And I'm going to come up, down like that again. Come on up. And come down. And connect that. Okay, now we're going to put the inside of the shell there. Line there, the line there. All right, now we need little feet. So they're pretty flat. So one there, come on up. Draw part of like a little body, a little belly area, and do his other front leg. Another kind of a flat foot. And come on up. And then continue on with the belly. And then his little back foot. Okay, and now you can't really see his other foot because it's in behind him. But now on his little feet, he's got some squiggles here. Kind of similar to what we did up here with his head. Okay, so put one of those on each of his legs. And now I'm going to add some color. So I'm going to use my black marker here for the strip here on his shell. Alright, so next I'm going to take a light green color. You don't need too many colors for a Turtwig. You need like a light green, and I've got a dark green, I've got a brown, and I've got a yellow and a black. So that's really all the colors you need for Turtwig. So I'm going to start with the light green and color in his face here. Okay, now I'm going to do his body here. And color that in with the same light green. But be careful you don't color in the bottoms of his feet because those are going to go yellow. Alrighty, now I'm going to take brown and color in this little spot here in his eye, like that. And top of his head here, this what seems like a spike, but it's like a little baby tree. And then the zigzag at the very top of his head. And the inside of his shell. So you can see with the more color we're adding, he looks more and more like Turtwig as we're going. Now we're going to go with the dark green and use that on the leaves up top. And we're almost done. We got to use our yellow. And we're going to use that for this ring around his eye. And now his mouth, little cheek. And then we're going to use the yellow for the bottoms of his legs. Alright, there we go. We are done our picture of Turtwig. I think he turned out pretty cute. So everyone, I hope you had fun drawing today. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright, bye!